Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain the different ways to read or write files data in Java. So let's get started. In Java, as part of file handling mechanism, we can read the data from the files and also we can write the data into the files. But how? Here, I am going to show you the different ways here. So the different ways to read or write the files data in Java is for reading and this for writing. Okay, writing. So under reading, we have something known as under reading. We can use a predefined classes in Java for reading is like we can use something like file reader. Okay, we can use a file reader class for reading the data from the files. For writing the data into the files, we can use something known as file writer. This is a predefined class in Java. FileWriter is a predefined class in Java using which you can write the data into the files. FileReader is a predefined class in Java using which we can read the data from the files. Second one is we have buffered reader. We also have buffered writer. Okay, buffered reader predefined class in Java can also be used for reading the data from the files. Buffer writer predefined class in Java can also be used for writing the data into the files. Similarly, we have file input stream, for reading the data from the files. We can use another predefined class in Java known as FileInputStream, and for writing the data into the files, we can use another predefined class in Java known as FileOutputStream. So now there is even one more way, that is print writer is there. Print reader is not there. Print reader for reading data from the files is not there, but print writer for writing the data into the files is available. So these are the different ways of reading the data from the files. For reading the data from the files in Java, we can use any of these predefined classes. To make the reading of the data from the files possible, we have to use any of these predefined classes like FileReader, BufferedReader, FileInputStream. And for writing the data into the files, there are four predefined classes in Java that we can use for this purpose. That is FileWriter, BufferedWriter, FileOutputStream, PrintWriter. So how to use these predefined classes in Java for reading and writing data, okay, into the files or from the files, I'm going to cover in detail with practical demonstration in the upcoming sessions. Okay. So here we are just getting started with this particular topic of reading, writing files data in Java by using this predefined classes we can do, but how to do it practical way, I'm going to demonstrate individually or separately for every predefined class mentioned here in the upcoming sessions. In a series of videos, I'm going to cover all these predefined classes for reading, writing files data. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.